Hi there, students. A hipster. I'm sure you've heard this phrase used on various occasions, but what is a hipster? As a noun, it's a person. I guess you could probably use it as a modifier as well, hipster fashion or something like that. Okay, a hipster is somebody who's interested in the latest trends or fashions, but they need to be alternative trends, alternative fashions. So something that's slightly different. Yeah, so new, different trends. A hipster is somebody who follows the most recent ideas and the most recent trends, but particularly in not non-mainstream new trends. Okay, I think maybe a hipster is somebody who follows fashion, but they're at the cutting edge of fashion. They follow what are things outside of the mainstream. A hipster, a bohemian person, so they're different. They have values slightly different, and I think they're probably a little bit ironic and non-mainstream as well. I think also this word hipster is sometimes used in a slightly derogatory way to say that this person, they're not actually interested in the fashions, they're interested in being fashionable, in seen to be really fashionable. Okay, and I think that's the idea. But to be hipster, you need to be out of the main fashion, new unconventional patterns, particularly in fashion or in music or in jazz. Okay, so a hipster, he lives a very hipster lifestyle. The clothing sold in this shop is very hipster. So hipster, somebody or something sophisticated, somebody knowledgeable about current ideas and fashions, but what's at the very cutting edge, what is not mainstream yet. I think once a fashion becomes mainstream, then a hipster is no longer interested in it. Yeah. So if you go to this bar, it's a great place where you'll find hipsters hanging out with other young families of other people as well. Okay, so hipster. Hipsters very often maybe revive old fashions, things like that. They bring something new in again. Okay, I think this word hipster is probably a little bit informal. I think I'd probably give it something like 4.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation. I think a semi-formal writing, but I think not maybe something very fashionable. Very formal. You see, my mind's falling apart in the heat. And then as to origin, well, if you look at this word hip, something that's hip is fashionable. So a hipster is trying to be fashionable, and that's the idea. Yeah, they are somebody who is at the very forefront of new fashions, new styles, new things, new games, new everything. Okay, so a hipster, there's somebody who's trying to be different, somebody who's trying to lead fashion or to lead the trends, and maybe the things that they enjoy will become mainstream later. They may never become mainstream, but the hipsters are trying to, I think, point the direction. Yeah. So a hipster. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hipster.